Turn up. Guess where we going?
Miami.
Miami not ready for
I'm out here in Miami.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas?
Listen, y'all, my budget for the whole entire trip is gonna be $30.
What?
You cannot pay
$30.
Asia.
Not Asia. Come
No,
on.
only $30. I'm not going over $30.
You can't do nothing with $30.
Right, like, you-
Yes, you can. The beach is free.
We not just gonna be at the beach.
Wait, all 7 of us are sharing 2 beds? I
Here
don't
she
like
go.
that. Listen, I'm the prettiest, so I'm gonna get that bed for myself.
No,
The 6 of y'all gotta
no.
figure out how y'all gonna share that one bed, because that's not gonna be me.
No, wait. Okay, so what y'all want to do first?
Sis, I just got to the hotel. Like, I'm mad tired. Like, I
What?
want to
I
sleep
knew
in
she
for a
was
minute.
gonna
Now,
say
Asia,
that.
we in
No.
Miami. Like,
I mean, I'm not stopping y'all. Like, y'all could go out. Like, I'm gonna just stay here
We
while
got
y'all
it
do stuff.
together.
Like, y'all could get food.
Nice,
Like, I'm
y'all.
not... I'm not paying no $5 for onion rings. Like, we could go to McDonald's for that. Oh, there's other people at the beach. I'm upset. And they're sand in my
It's a
toes.
beach.
Like, here's your check, ladies. Have a nice night.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
How much?
what's the damage?
Wait.
$1,200.
What?
Now, Asia, see, this is why you shouldn't have ordered 6 lobsters.
but I thought y'all said we was splitting the
We
bill.
all got chicken
Now,
tenders.
Asia, you did that on purpose. Like,
Oh, so y'all don't got money like y'all say y'all do?
You trying to
Stop
get
playing
smart,
with me.
Like,
Don't
I told you my budget for the trip is $30. Like,
Nah,
no, I got
We don't need fake people in our section.
Keep that
The
drama
six
over
of
there,
us.
sis.
That's right. My
Get
hair
her,
go.
Bree.
Get
Get
what's
her,
up?
Bree.
Get
Get
what's
her,
up?
Bree.
Get
Get
what's
her,
up? My
Bree.
hair
Get her,
go.
Bree.
I literally knew that something was just not right in my spirit. Like, there was something inside me that was telling me that these girls are not your friends. Like, what happened? Yo, these girls turned on me for no reason. Like, I did nothing wrong. Like, at the end of the day, I'm gonna protect my peace, and I'm not gonna choose to associate with negative people. Like,